Hello, my happy crafters. How are you doing in this beautiful, blessed evening? I pray that all are well. Let's just go ahead and start. Today we are going to make Elmo, Cookie Monster, and Big Bird goodie bags. On Design Space, we're going to go to Images. In the search box, we're going to type Elmo, Cookie Monster, Big Bird. We are going to choose the images we will work with. I'm just making face bags. Let's go ahead. We have a face bag, and this is layered. It's not a print and cut. Big Bird. Click on the image. And Elmo, click on the image. Once you select your images, you'll see them on the bottom of the screen. We go ahead and insert images. On this screen, we will size the images. Unlock, and they will be 4.5 by 4.5. And we lock. We're going to zoom out the screen so we will. Okay, better. 4.5 by 4.5. We click on the images, we unlock, and it'll be a 4.5 by 4.5. And we lock. Click on the image, we unlock, again, 4.5 by 4.5. Okay, we're done sizing the images. We're going ahead and make it. On this screen, I need 5 images of each. I'm going to type in the 5 images and I'm going to select a 6 by 6. Let's say a little bit larger. 8.5 by 10. For the shadow, I always look to see if I can fit another image in here, which I think I can. I click on the image, I click on the 3 dots, I click on move to another mat, and I'll just go ahead and place it here. Hit confirm. We're just gonna go ahead and play with it, see if he fits. I don't think he fits. I was able to do it with, there it is. Oh, I thought I had it. Okay, right here. There you go. I try to save as much cardstock as I can. Oh, wait. I have poster boards. Guys, I have poster boards. So if you work with black poster boards, what I'm going to do is I'm going to change it for a poster board, which is a 12 by 22. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on 12 by 19. That way I can fit at least, I have 2, 4, 6, I have 8. And then on the next poster board, I have 7, which saves me, like it's almost the same if you use. But I don't want to be loading a lot of 12 by 12 mats. Now we're going to click on the nose and we're going to do a 4 by 6. And the Big Bird, I'll click on the image. And I'm going to try to fit him here in the 12 by 12. Click on the image, click on the 3 dots, move to the other mat. And you're going to click on the mat you want to move it to. The pink, I'm going to change it to a 4x6. A 4x6. Okay, and the red, I'll leave it the same. That's it. We have 10 mats. Once we're done, we're gonna go ahead and click continue. You click on the mat that you're going to cut first. We have it on cardstock. We load, and then we click on the flashing button. Now, when you have poster board, you're gonna go ahead and you adjust it to the poster board. And then once you go ahead and you reach this one, the nose, you go ahead and adjust it back to the cardstock. Once we finish cutting all these images, I'll be right back so I can show you how to assemble them on the goodie bags. Now let's go ahead and start putting together the Elmo, Cookie Monster, and Big Bird goodie bags. First, let me get my glue ready. And my helper, which is perfect for small little pieces. I'm going to start with Elmo. Shadow, face, nose, the eye. Don't put a lot of glue because it will, once you press it down, it will smudge and then you'll have a mess. I'll just wait a couple of seconds and I'll just go ahead and apply it. When I apply it, I'll just wait a couple of seconds before I press down because I think I put too much. Now we're going to go ahead for the nose. For the nose, I'll use my little tool. Dab of glue. And we're going to go ahead and press it. On the eyes. Okay. One Elmo is ready. I'm gonna set this aside to dry. It can take like maybe 10-15 minutes to dry. And then we go ahead and glue it to the bags. We are done with the Elmo. Now we're going to start with the Cookie Monster. It has lines. If you can see the lines, it will guide you where to place each piece. Let's go ahead and start with Cookie Monster. Now, we're done with the Cookie Monster. We're going to go ahead and start with the Big Bird. I had to place the Cookie Monster down. For some reason, the Cookie Monster wasn't sticking like the Elmos. So I just turn it around and just press it a little bit. I'm just going to go ahead and start with the Big Bird. We are done with all the 5 images each for the goodie bags. Now we're just going to go ahead and glue them on the goodie bags. All the images are dried. Now we're going to go ahead and glue them onto the 8x5 goodie bags. We're just going to apply a generous amount of glue just in the middle. If you put it too on the edge, it will smudge. And try not to put it on the lines because it will go through the other side. So you just got to be careful. When you apply the hot glue and you apply it on the bag, try not to press it right away so it won't smudge. Just wait a couple of seconds and then just go ahead and press. Just going to go ahead and finish the rest. And I will be posting pictures after we finish with all these. Any questions, please comment below. Please subscribe and share. Happy crafting!